My name is Michelle Gourdet. I've been at BSA for 11 years. The department that I work in is I'm supervisor in the cath and EP lab here at BSA. In the cath lab, what we do is we check the vessels of the heart and be sure that they're open. We're like the plumbers of the heart, so we want to see if the blood flow is working, and if not, we go in and put in balloons or stents to open up those vessels when people have heart attacks. I love my job. I love my career path. I get such satisfaction out of knowing that I helped save someone's life. In school, we never talked about college when I was growing up. I grew up poor and went to Caprock High School for half of a day, and then I had to work at a nursing home to help supplement income. In working at the nursing home, I loved that job so much, I thought, well, go to nursing school. So I started at Amarillo College that summer and did some prerequisites, and then I went to Northwest Texas School of Nursing, and I graduated in 1984. If you're thinking about going to college and you have that thought, go for it. There are programs that hospitals do now too that help with your tuition. You can come and they'll do tuition assistance, and you get that money up front instead of at the end of your class we'll reimburse you. So that would have helped me out tremendously. There's a lot of positions that you can start in the hospital, and they'll help pay your way through nursing school. I mean, you can't beat that. I was a C student in college and in high school, but I worked hard to see my dream. So no excuses. You don't have money, no excuse. There's money out there. You say you're not smart enough, no excuse. If you want it, you can go get it. C student or A student, you can get it.